Hello everybody, in today's video we have this 2014 BMW 535i. However, this isn't just any 535i, it has some very nice and tasteful mods done to it. I'd like to thank the owner first of all for taking time out of his day to come and let me review his car. And also, since this is the first time I'm ever doing this, it's also a milestone in this thing which I call my YouTube channel. So be sure to follow the owner on Instagram. I'll have all his information in the description. This car started life out as a 535i luxury line. So we'll start here from the front. It has a M-style bumper with this front lip and also M5 style kidney grills. Then we have F90 M5 style wheels. We have a M style mirrors, rear tinted windows, and the car has been completely de-chromed. Here's the owner's Instagram. The car is running Pirelli P0s with 275 30 20-inch at the rear. Then there is this also very nice lip spoiler. And as you can probably hear, the exhaust, it has a decat downpipe with muffler delete, so the only thing that has stayed is the mid pipe, and it has these bigger exhaust tips. Now a regular 535i already has dual exhausts, however these are bigger, and as you can see I could fit my whole fist inside it. Moving on to the rear, since after all this is an executive sedan, there's more than enough space for people in the back. The interior is finished in this light white cream color with a very nice blackish dark brown wood trim. As I mentioned, this vehicle was a luxury line, therefore it has a more luxurious spec to it, and I like it a lot. And pictures really don't do this car justice. You really have to see it in real life, especially with that beautiful brown exterior color. This car does have the regular sound speakers, which are actually pretty good, and you can go for Harman Kardon or Bang & Olufsen. And this car also has quite a rare option, which is actually the digital gauge cluster. Moving on to the design of the interior, it's more traditional BMW, since the cockpit is driver oriented, whereas the predecessor, the E60, was actually more symmetrical, I guess you could say, and a lot of people say that this is the direct successor to the legendary E39 due to all of the more traditional BMW styling with the exterior and the interior. This car does come with the comfort seats, which in my opinion are the best BMW seats you could get, and they are definitely a must-have option, or at least the sports seats as well. However, whatever you do, do not get the regular standard seats. Luckily, I chose a great day to review this car, as with the sun you can really see how beautiful this color is. And now we'll take a look at the modifications under the hood. So here we have the 3-liter straight 6 turbo, also codename N55. Stock, it produces 306 horsepower and 400 newton meters, or 295 foot-pounds of torque. However, this has a stage 2 tune on it with a catless downpipe, a muffler delete, and a upgraded intercooler, all done by Pure Turbos here in Belgium. And now it's running 411 crank horsepower and 630 newton meters of torque. Stock, the 0 to 100 time is around 6 seconds. You have to remember this vehicle is rear-wheel drive, so traction is an issue. And with these modifications, 0 to 100 has been reduced to 4.7. And the more important number, I guess you could say here in Europe, is the 100 to 200 kilometer an hour time, which now does in around 11.1 seconds. And in this generation you could get tons of different options for the powertrain, with 4-cylinder gas and diesel, 6-cylinder gas and diesel, as well as 2 V8 gasoline options in the 50i and the M5. However, if you're not going to go for the M5, I would stick to the 6-cylinder since they are the most reliable and they just match the vehicle very well, since BMW and 6-cylinders go hand in hand. Here you can see the name of the beautiful color. And now it's time to hit the road and see what this thing can do.